Students, in this video we are going to see exercise 5.5 question number 8. Assume that water is issuing from the end of a horizontal pipe. So now consider this x-axis is like a horizontal pipe. Okay, so now water is issuing horizontal pipe 7.5 meter above the ground. So if you consider this as the ground, so above the ground 7.5. So let us consider this as 7.5 meters above the ground. Describes a parabolic path. So describes a parabolic path means now this is like a water. Okay, so this is like a water pipe. From this water pipe, water is issuing. So consider that the water comes like this in a parabolic path. Okay, so the water describes in a parabolic path. So if you take in the other direction, you will get like this. It is in a parabolic path. Now the vertex of the parabolic path is the end of the pipe. So since we are consider this is the pipe, at the end of the pipe only this is the vertex. So consider this is the vertex 0, 0. This is the vertex 0, 0. Next, at a position 2.5 meter below the line of the pipe. So below the line of the pipe at 2.5 meters. So if I consider this as the 2.5 meters, okay, this distance as 2.5 meters below the pipe. The flow of the water has curved outward 3 meter beyond the vertical line. So this distance is nothing but 3 meter beyond the vertical line. Okay, the vertical line. So what will be this point then? X comma y. What is x distance? X is nothing but 3. Okay, so x is 3 comma y distance. What is y? Y is nothing but 2.5. Now since this is like negative direction of the y axis, so y is to be taken as minus 2.5. The point will become minus 2.5. Next, how far beyond this vertical line will the water strike the ground? So the question that they asked to find is how long. Now suppose if this is the line to find out. Okay, so this is the one that they asked us to find. So how long that it will take. Now clearly here we don't know this x distance because how far beyond this vertical line. So this x distance only they asked us to find. So let us consider that x distance as some x1 comma y. Y is nothing but the total of whatever they are given, that the pipe above the ground 7.5. So this is 7.5. So your y distance is minus 7.5. Your y distance is minus 7.5. Okay, so that's the point. So this distance is the x1 that they asked us to find. Now since it is like a parabola and it is open downward parabola, so let us consider the parabola as open downward parabola. Consider open downward parabola. So what is the equation of open downward parabola? The equation is open downward parabola equation is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So to find out this a value, clearly now this point 3 comma minus 2.5 is the point that lies on the parabola. So therefore 3 comma minus 2.5 lies on the parabola. So consider this as x and let this be y. So substitute in the equation. So therefore x square is nothing but 9, which is equal to minus 4a into y. Y is nothing but minus 2.5. So 9 is equal to, now minus into minus is plus, 4 into 2.5 is nothing but 10. So 10a. So from this what is a value? A is nothing but 9 by 10. A value is nothing but 9 by 10. Now let's substitute a value in the parabolic equation. So therefore equation of parabola. Therefore equation of parabola is x square is equal to minus 4 into ay. So 4 into 9 by 10. So 4 into 9 by 10 minus 4 into 9 by 10. A value is 9 by 10 into y. Now, to find out this x1, whatever that we have considered. So now here, this particular point also passes on the parabola. This is also point on the parabola. So therefore, point x1 comma minus 7.5, this also lies on the parabola. Therefore, x square. So in x place what we have? X1 and this is y. So x1 square is equal to minus 4 into 9 by 10 into y. What is y value? Y is nothing but minus 7.5. Minus 7.5. So now this we'll try to simplify. X1 square is equal to minus into minus. Minus into minus will become plus. So 4 into 9 by 10 into 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10. Now, if I simplify this, so we have 75 into 4. 75 into 4 is 300. 300 into 9. 300 into 9 is 2700 by 10 into 10. So 100. So let's cancel these two zeros. X1 square is equal to 27. From this, x1 is equal to root 27. So root of 27 can be written as 9 into 3. So x1 is equal to root 9 is nothing but 3 and therefore root 3 meters. Okay. So therefore, the water touches the ground. Water touches the ground 3 root 3 meters away from the edge of the pipe. Away from the edge of the pipe. Edge of the pipe. That's it. 3 root 3 meters is the answer.